Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to the the demo presentation of the OBAY, the platform for the decentralized autonomous organization. So first, I want to quick introduce about the OBAY. So OBAY is inspired by the big flaw of the traditional fund management system in the process of ambiguous transferring fund process and the lack of transparency in portfolio management. So the target of community of OBAY is Ahmed, the venture, the group of investors, small cap fund and large cap fund. So just a quick recap to the features of OBAY. So the main features of the OBAY platform include the fund management and cross-chain swapping using the DAO model that we gonna make the DAO like essential core functions of our system. Each DAO has its own portfolio and the staking functionality to get the annual percentage yield, and the model that we use follow the various holders to have their own DAO with their own staking model. OBAY holders who stake to the treasury of the platform have the ability to participate in the improvement of the project. OBAY governance token is used for voting the important proposal and the decisions on the platform. We also have the DEX platform that OBAY team builds to integrate with the DAOs on the platform to allow them to manage their fund directly instead of using other decentralized and exchange and centralized exchange like Binance, Huobi, or FTX. The use cases of the OBAY governance token is using the OBAY token to vote on the improvement proposal of the OBAY development. OBAY holders can use the token to pay the exchange fee of the decentralized exchange, and OBAY holders can also stack their token on the treasury to maximize profit. Okay, so how we build it using the Chainlink. So there's two main functionality that we use Chainlink in our system. First, the Chainlink upkeeps that we use Chainlink upkeeps for stakeholder profit distribution. To explain about it more, so every DAO has its profit gained from accumulating the number of exchanges the DAO members met on the DAO and the liveliness of that DAO. On the other hand, we use upkeeps to automatically update the status of the proposal of the DAO. So Chainlink's price feed for the DEX that is powered by the Chainlink price feed to make sure the data is secure and reliable for each pair, like the Ethereum OBAY, Ethereum USDT. Okay, so now move to the application. So here is our user interface and the main application of the OBAY we generalize. So as you can see right here, that is our governance structure that we accumulate the total value log of the system, the vote delegated, the number of proposal made, and also the stakeholder. So here is the main proposal of the whole system that we have, like adding OBAY USDT pair liquidity pool, construct a governance structure for OBAY token, security checking for smart contract, and because there's no stakeholder of the in the system yet, so there's no vote. And also here is the voting period. After the voting period, that is will calculate from the yes vote and the no vote, and then just automatically execute by Chainlink upkeeps. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. That is the browsing. So the user can browse on the platform the number of the community DAO. So it is the community DAO. It's different from the main DAO. It is the treasury of the OBAY. Let's also have the improvement proposal from the OBAY community. However, this is the DAO of the community. That we can also have the DAO from Binance, DAO from Chain, DAO from OBAY Big Fan, Hello There. So, and as a user that I'm currently using the account 7, and yeah, so I can also choose this DAO. So for example, that I will click on Chain because I haven't because I'm not the member of this DAO yet, so I can choose the DAO. We will forward to the MetaMask and then accept, and then as you can see right here, the number of members is updated. And if I click on it again, it will say that you must in the bay for more than 3 days to live the DAO. Okay, and so we also have the functionality to using Wallet Connect to connect to the account, but I think this is not an important one, so just switch to the MetaMask. Okay, so what next? So after joining DAO, that I on my DAO is listed right here, and I can also click on it. Wait, I can search for the DAO like Tomogen, yeah, and I can also create my own DAO, like for example, Chainlink Hackathon 150 and add new pay. So after confirming, so there's a new DAO created, and you can see right here is Chainlink Hackathon. And when I click on the Chainlink Hackathon, here is the user interface of it. It has the proposal tab, the members tab, the portfolio tab. If I click on the portfolio tab, that it will show me the the price market of the Ethereum, the main currency of the network that we're using to build the OBAY Ethereum blockchain. So the user can observe the price of the Ethereum and can also make the price prediction on it by using the trading view embedded. And for the members, because I'm the member of this DAO, so it is listed right here, and also the occupations that this I just have, like it has 0% stacking amount in this DAO. So if I want to make if I want to add a proposal to the DAO, I must stack something. Like for example, I will stack maybe 0.765 Ethereum. So after stacking, you can see right here that the total Ethereum is change, and the member it will occupy. It will has the occupy amount is like 100%, and the stack amount is 0.765. So for example, that I will use another account for the experiment. So like right here that I will choose Chainlink Hackathon. Chainlink Hackathon down, and after joining I will click on my base, and there's the Chainlink Hackathon right here. And in this page, if I click on the members, so you can see this is my address, right? This is my address, and there's no stack amount yet, so the occupy must be 0. So I will stack something like 0.5, and you can see that the amount is changed, and also the occupy number is also changed. And yeah, so let's just make a proposal. Like for example, DAO price Chainlink Hackathon 0. Okay, description submitted to Chainlink. Amount is like 0.2, and the address that I want to send this proposal, I want this proposal to send to this, maybe that this account, yes. Oops. Okay, let's wait for it loading. Okay, let's just read the proposal again. So copy the recipient address and paste it right here, set the 5 days, and add the proposal. And after adding the proposal, then you can see the proposal is listed right here, right? So we can click on it to see the the information of the proposal, like the description, the requested by, the amount, expire time, Oracle using its Chainlink, approval, disapproval, number of vote. So because this is my proposal, this is my proposal, so I cannot vote for it. But let's change it to, like for example, this account. Okay, let's wait for it to load. It takes some time. I think there's a problem, so I just refresh the page. Oops. Okay, I think that is good now. So just a network connections problem. So when I go back to the Chainlink and I click on it, so I will have the option like voting yes and voting no. And you can see right here there's no vote at this moment because no one voted yet. So I will just like, because yeah, I really want to have a DAO price, so I will vote yes, for example, and then it will update it. And then there's also the like right here and the address, the stack amount occupy. And yeah, so it is updated the approval 100%. However, it is not executed yet because it will be expired in 5 days and it's required on the members to accept it. But there are also an options to automatically execute it if you know, like 100% for around maybe half a time of the expire of the voting period. Right here is the 5 days is half than that. However, there's no vote change, so it will automatically execute the approval. And yeah, on the other hand, we also have the exchange proposal. So what is this exchange proposal? As you can see right here, that we have an option called exchange. And here is our decentralized autonomous organization, and you must join a OBAY first to use this functionality. For example, that I have on my page right here, listed right here, like Binance, Tomochain, OBAY, Big Fan, Hello There, Chainlink Hackathon. So I will click on the Chainlink Hackathon, and I will choose the pair like the Ethereum, USDC, and 1 and 5, 0. Like I want to swap from 1 Ethereum to 200, like something like that. And then when I submit that, and there will be a proposal listed on the user interface of the DAO for the exchange proposal. And that's how it's worked. For example, I will just create another proposal called the Binance Binance exchange, Binance address. Hello there. 70. And as you see that the debating period is different, like we have said it yet. And if you see right here, so we have something called the run, right? And it is counting down. It is counting down. So what is the run? So we by using the Chainlink upkeeps powered by Chainlink, so in our system that we will automatically distribute the stack, the profit of the DAO based on the exchange, and that we will distribute the OBAY token to the DAO members. I can say the DAO, only the DAO, and then that DAO can use that OBAY, to pay for the network fee on the decentralized exchange. Yes, so that's how it's worked. And if you go back to the browsing, and you can see that number of base is 5, number of proposal is 3, and on the DAO is listed right here. And like after the DAO is distributed with the OBAY token, and they become the OBAY holder, they can use that OBAY to vote on the improvement proposal right here. And that DAO will gain the benefit from voting the improvement and proposal, and if the improvement proposal is accepted, they also earn a benefit. And that is our OBAY project. That we build a platform for the decentralized autonomous organizations, that you can also create your own DAO and manage the portfolio, and also the exchange, the transferring stuff from your own DAO. Okay, so thank you for listening to the presentation. So yeah, have a nice day. Okay. And you can also check our GitHub report right here, that we have two things that we have two main repo is the Smart Bay, the Fancy Bay, and the local Chainlink is for hosting our own Chainlink node provider for testing. So the Smart Bay is for the smart contract storage, and the Fancy Bay is for the user interface storage. Okay, so thank you for listening.